What's up, guys? I'm Joe. This is my brother Mike, and we're from buildassetsonline.com. And welcome to this special coffee edition episode where we're going to cover affiliate marketing versus dropshipping. We're going to cover several aspects of it and kind of the pros and the cons of each, and maybe guide you in a little bit of direction as which way you should go in building your first online business. So the first thing I want to talk about is margins versus commissions. For each business model, why don't you talk a little about what's better, what's worse, etc.
Yeah, so affiliate commissions and margins in the case of e-commerce are essentially the ways that you make money. So with an affiliate website or however you're doing affiliate marketing, when someone comes and they click your referral link and they go and they purchase something or they sign up to become a lead, you get some sort of commission out of it with whoever runs the affiliate company. So I think for most of the video, we're just going to refer to affiliate marketing in terms of Amazon affiliate, because that's really one of the most popular affiliate programs out there. And a lot of the times when you go to different websites and they're talking about products and promoting them, they are using Amazon affiliate. So most of the time with Amazon, for their affiliate commissions, it can range between 2 and 10%.
Yeah, I mean, this is actually changing, actually changing soon. They just changed their fee structure in the UK, but the benefit of that, you get those commissions. The benefit of that is whenever else someone buys on the site, even if they buy your $2 phone case, if they buy a $1,000 picture frame, you're gonna get that commission.
Yeah, so it's 2 to 10% of the average order value.
The average order value
that's placed.
Yeah.
Versus if you have your own e-commerce website and you're doing drop shipping for different suppliers in the United States or whatever your country is, usually the margins that they'll give you will be at worst case 10% all the way up to 50%. So with that, Amazon and most affiliate programs for e-commerce products are going to be much lower in margin than just selling the product yourself.
Yeah, that's correct. One thing that is important to consider, and we're going to actually get into this in more detail in the next thing I wanted you to cover about traffic, is that one of the other downsides of affiliate marketing when you have a website that links to Amazon, there's kind of like a bridge there. So the user has to go from a search engine to your website to Amazon. So there is a little bit of a bleed over when we're talking about margins here. So they come from the search engine. Only a certain percentage of those are going to click over to Amazon, and then they have a 24-hour window to buy something. And if they don't buy something within that 24-hour window, they're kind of a lost customer. So that being said, let's talk about traffic and the main types of traffic sources that people are going to use for physical product affiliate marketing versus dropshipping.
Yeah, and this is really one of the biggest differences, because with the affiliate marketing model, especially for most people doing Amazon affiliate, the main way that you get traffic is by ranking organically. Just because if you try to buy traffic to Amazon, the margin just isn't there to do that.
To be clear, you're buying traffic to your website, which goes to Amazon. It's not legal to buy traffic with your affiliate link to Amazon.
Yeah, you buy traffic, say on Facebook or on Google or any other website, to get people to your website, and then they have to click over from there to Amazon and then buy something for you to get the commission. So some people do this. It's not that popular just because, again, the margins are so low that it doesn't really make it worth it. Most of the time people are trying to rank for certain keywords, say coffee mug review, and then the organic traffic that comes in from there will be directed to Amazon for the commission. But with e-commerce, since we prefer selling high ticket products, usually over $500, some over $1,000, even $10,000 products. And so when you're playing with over $1,000 profit, if you make a sale, it gives you so much room to buy traffic. And even if you're not the best at it, then you can still get people to your website, still get interest, and still make sales at profit, and you can also do it pretty much instantly because with getting organic traffic, you have to make the article. It has to rank, which can take 6 months, and then you're at it. You're kind of subject to how the position you're ranked.
Yeah, if you're a little bit new to the online business world, what we're basically talking about is when it comes to affiliate marketing versus drop shipping. With affiliate marketing, physical products, you're at the mercy of SEO, search engine optimization. And if you want to develop any real traction, you have to get a good a commercial related keyword, let's say, like you mentioned, coffee mug review, because people that are searching for coffee, a coffee mug review, want to buy a coffee mug. So you have to get a keyword like that on the first page of Google, preferably in the top 3 position. And that could take 6 months, a year, longer, because not only do you have to create the content, you have to possibly get links to it depending on the keyword. You have to be driving referral traffic to your website to show Google that it's a good site. So, the traffic for high ticket dropshipping e-commerce is just a lot easier. So we kind of touched on this before, but let's get into the earnings per visitor. I think we know which one is going to be higher because I kind of talked about that bridge effect and kind of the people falling off the bridge. But why don't you provide some further clarification on that?
Yeah, and I think a lot of the time it's just a trade-off, because with organic traffic, if you're getting a good amount, then you're going to get a bunch of clicks to Amazon, and then you're going to get sales. So if you're not paying for that traffic, then it works out really well as long as you can get the rankings. And so we're not against Amazon affiliate in any way. We own several sites that make affiliate commission, but starting out, we just want to share what's worked with us and really the quickest way to get started. So earnings per visitor for an e-commerce site, it's going to be way higher, especially again if you're selling these really expensive items, because even if you try to sell an expensive item via Amazon affiliate, there's only a certain window that you can get the commission in, versus if you bring someone to your own website, you have total control of whether you get their email, whether you retarget them. Once you get that customer, they're yours to market to pretty much indefinitely. So it really scales a lot quicker, and it gives you essentially full control over what you're doing, versus Amazon just being an easy way to direct people and make money in a simple way.
The thing is with, like I mentioned, that cookie window before, it might not be a problem with a coffee mug because people aren't really doing in-depth research to buy a coffee mug. They'll probably just click over to Amazon, see one that they like, and buy it. But if you want to do something where you're really going to make a lot of money on a high margin, high ticket item, doing that to Amazon, your conversion rate to Amazon is going to be low because they got to go to your website to Amazon and they have to convert within 24 hours. Where if you're driving paid traffic to your website, you can retarget them, you can get their email address, so many ways to get them to come back to your site to buy that product. So you have so many more opportunities per visitor with drop shipping. So I think that kind of brings us to the next major topic here is what's better for beginners on a budget. Let's talk about some of the pros and cons of what you have to put your money into for drop shipping and affiliate marketing.
Yeah, so I think a lot of people starting out, they gravitate towards affiliate marketing because it does come with the promise that you don't have to buy traffic and you can write the articles for free.
Yeah.
But in reality, if you actually want to be successful and you want to quit your job or you want to scale towards a realistic income where you can live a life that you want to live, it's a lot harder to succeed originally with affiliate marketing, because not only do you need to for you to write the content at scale is a huge time endeavor, and you need an editor, you need
stock tools, photos, images. There's all sorts of things you have to do to polish the content and scale it that are expensive.
Yeah. Versus with e-commerce, to get access to products that you can sell for these high margins, cost nothing. To make a Shopify store, free trial, $30 a month. And then to run paid traffic, Google actually gives you $100 for free when you start using them. And I think it's if you spend $50. So for $50, maybe plus 30 for Shopify, you can make your first sale and you can already be making an ROI within your first $80. And that's something certainly that we've definitely come close to if we have not done that. And
Right.
yeah, it's so much easier and quicker to get started because you control the flow of traffic.
Yeah, so I think what he's kind of alluding to is that if you're a beginner and you want to build an online business, the concept of cash flow is extremely, extremely important, because if you say, I'm working my job, I decide to start a blog and I'm writing an article a day, how long before I get burned out? And because I'm not going to see a commission for 6 months, a year. How long before I say, the hell with this, it's easier just to do what I'm doing every day and quit this online business stuff. But with dropshipping, you can start seeing that cash flow come in very, very quickly, and that's going to give you more time to work on your business, and it's going to give you more money to reinvest into the other businesses. And then you can invest that stuff if you want to start an affiliate marketing site. You invest that into the content, into the links, into the stock images. So you got to think about what's going to bring you cash the quickest. And in that case, for beginners, it happens to be high ticket.
And I think you talk about the momentum of getting started. Not only is it easier to do when you're buying traffic and you have a wide margin to play with, but I think there's no better feeling than getting a sale and having that margin be, $500, $1,000. That's a huge boost to not only your confidence and to keep you moving forward, but to make $1,000 in a month from affiliate marketing takes so much consistent work that, while it may be more of a consistent day-to-day cash flow, it doesn't provide the same boost and will give you the same level of confidence.
So let's talk about passivity. Out of these two business models, which is more passive?
So I would say that affiliate marketing is more passive in the long term, because while writing articles and editing them and doing all of those processes are certainly not passive, and it may take more to get started. Once you have something going, then it'll stay good for a while and you can keep generating commissions over and over. But with dropshipping, it pretty much takes the same amount of work after, say, the first 2 weeks of setting up your website and uploading products and driving traffic. At that point, you're pretty much just handling the customer service of, sending in POs and handling just tracking numbers and stuff like that. But that can easily be outsourced as well. So I'd say they're both as passive as you want them to be. So if you want to save money by writing your own content, or if you want to hire someone to do customer service for you, either of them can be passive. And, we've definitely gone on long vacations, either of us, where we haven't really touched our computers. And it's just about putting systems in place.
Yeah, any business is passive depending on where you are in the layer. I kind of used this example with you the other day, but I think it's important to think about is that Warren Buffett, his company, they own Geico, and Geico, as you can imagine, has a huge team of people. It's not a passive business by any means, but it's passive for Warren Buffett. So passive just depends on your ability to build systems and effectively outsource. And when it comes to either of these business models, I would say it's not that difficult in either one.
No.
So let's talk about sellability. When you go to sell your website, which is easier to sell and has a higher return rate?
So typically at this point in the market, it does look like affiliate websites get a higher valuation. Usually, a dropshipping site right now will probably sell for 25 times its monthly profit after it's a year and a half old. Whereas an affiliate website, if it's a year and a half old, it may get 27, 30. It kind of depends on, there's a variety of factors, but right now affiliate websites do tend to sell better, but that doesn't mean that will change in the future. And also in a year and a half to go from zero to selling your website through dropshipping, through e-commerce, you can create a much higher earning site.
Yeah.
Versus affiliate marketing, which after a year and a half, you may only be starting to hit a third of your full potential.
Yeah, I mean, even though you could sell affiliate marketing stores or affiliate marketing sites for a little bit more, if you take what you could do in a year's time, you can have 3 or 4 dropshipping stores that are sellable and profitable in that time.
Yeah.
And, you can get them off the ground running where if you're working on an affiliate marketing site for a year, that when you hit that year mark, might be when you're coming out of the Google sandbox and they're starting to index your site and you're first starting to show up. So, you got to think about time also in relation to the money you're selling it for.
Yeah, I think with our sites, we made 4 of them within our first, say, 9 months of starting out our dropshipping sites, and they were all profitable within that same month. And now they're a big part of our portfolio, and they all earn consistently each month. So,
yeah. All right. So I think we've about covered it all here. So we're going to wrap this up. If you have any questions about what we talked about, affiliate marketing and dropshipping, be sure to leave them in the comments below. And if you like this video and want to learn more about building assets online, hit that thumbs up and subscribe button, and hope to see you guys next time.
Thanks for watching. If you want to learn the real secrets of how to build wealth online, just like the professionals behind the scenes do it, we've created a free video series called the Online Assets Playbook. Inside, you'll see the actual business models and methods that we use to go from 0 to $1 million plus in online assets. So there's very, very few people online who are even talking about this stuff, let alone people who are actually doing this every single day. So
if you want to grab that free course, head on over to buildassetsonline.com/playbook, and there is just a click or two away to sign up, and we hope to see you on the inside.